Dear students, welcome to our second session on subject Minj 160 Engineering Graphics, Mechanical Engineering Drawing. This is your instructor, Engineer Ibrahim, and we will still working with orthographic projection of 3D solid models. Our exercise in this session will be this model. This model is consist of a base 110 by 90 with cylinder R30. As we see, this cylinder have a cut at 40 millimeters and 14 millimeters depth. We have like a tunnel here, okay, with R14 and R22. Okay, this is my front view. It will be to the right. In first angle projection, we are working in first angle projection, so it will be to the right, and my side view will be on the left. Let us start with our side view, and we'll draw this tunnel. In the side view, we have this base 10 by 90. Okay, so I'll go here to my AutoCAD, put a construction line horizontal anywhere, and offset this horizontal line by 10. It will be a little bit different from I'll put a line as a side view, and let us see our beginning of the side view is here, and it's 90, so we'll take an offset by 90, and we need the center, so 90 by 2, it will be 45. I'll go here and take an offset by 45 in order to have my center. So this is 45 to the left and another 45. This is my 90. Let's go back again and see. The center of my tunnel is 30 millimeters up the base. Let us go back and take offset by 30 to the up. My tunnel is R14, and the thickness of the tunnel is on R22. So the thickness of the tunnel is 8 millimeters. 22 minus 14, it will be 8. I'll draw the tunnel first and then offset the thickness by 8. In order to do so, in AutoCAD we have many choices. You can draw a circle here by 14 and go draw lines down, okay, and then trim, etc., etc. I think the best way is to offset by 14 here to the right and 14 to the left, and go to our polyline, which draws lines and arcs. My tunnel starts from here to here line, and then it goes as an arc. So I go down, click an arc, or type A at your keyboard. Now I need a line, so I go down, click the line, or type L, This is my tunnel. We said that we'll offset it by 8, so 8, enter, and this is my 8. So my base will start from here, there, and up, and ends here. The same way from the second, from the other side, so from here, there, up, and closed here. Okay, let us get rid of our construction lines and do some trims. So trim, take all of these, insert, enter, and take this one out and this one out. Sorry. So this is my side view. This is my part of my side view. In order to draw cylinder, I prefer to draw the top view and take projection lines from the cylinder itself. So let's go to the top view. Okay, this is the base. So you'll take the beginning of the base, the end of the base. Let us decide to start our top view here, the beginning of the top and the end of the beginning of the side. We'll take a bisector by 90 degrees between them, and as we did always, we trim it. Enter, take this out, take this out. This is my 45 degrees inclined line in order to project the width of the side to the top. So my base started here and ended here. I'll take projection lines down. So this is the width of my top view. Okay, where is my top view? We start, let us start it here. Okay, now the length of my base is 110, so I'll go here and get an offset by 110. This is 110, and this is my base. So draw a rectangle from corner to corner, from here to here. Give it a fillet. The fillet is not mentioned in your exercise book, and the fillet is 12. Okay, enter. As it's a pulley line, so I'll take a pulley line from down in order to have 4 fillets in the same time. Pulley line, yes, as you can see. Okay, we need the center. Let us go back, get rid of these now. Draw vertical, draw horizontal from the middle, and this is my center. My cylinder is 30 millimeter radius, so this is my cylinder. The cylinder have a groove, as we said, at 40, so you'll have to take 20 millimeters to the right and to the left, offset by 20, enter, to the right and to the left. Let us draw the groove from here to here and from here to here. Good. Where's my cylinder? In the side view and in the front view. Let us draw the front view, the base of the front view. So the base, my front view base is from here to here, and it begins from here till here. So this is my front base of my front view, down here and up. My cylinder, this is the groove of my cylinder. Where is my cylinder? Let us take rid of this, delete, this, delete, this one, delete. Okay, so this is the groove of my cylinder, and this one I don't need it. Okay, how can I take the cylinder itself? I'll take from the quadrant to the quadrant. Okay, let's go back and see. Our cylinder is 66 height and then 14. 66 and the groove is on 14. So I have to go here back, draw construction line here, and offset by 66 first. This is 66 up, and then offset again by 14, enter. This is my 14. So to see what we'll see here, You see a cylinder, it goes down and goes a groove down and close. Okay, let's draw it. So this is my cylinder, begins here, ends at the top, goes here and groove. This is my 40 millimeter groove. What about the side view? Let us see. Side view of my cylinder. 1, 2. And you take the projection of the groove. Let us project it to the side. 1, 2. 1, 2. From here, I'll take a projection for the cylinder, for the groove. Okay, let us see what we'll see here. In the side view, what we'll see? We'll see this part and then it's opening. It's opening. And this part is opened. So let us draw it. Okay, line from the beginning of my cylinder, okay, till here, and it opens up there, down there, and close. Okay, this is what we'll see. Let us project the tunnel there, the projection of the tunnel from here, okay, and the projection of the tunnel goes down 1, 2, and it begins from the beginning of the base to the end of the base. So where is my tunnel here? It will begin here till here. From the other side is the same, from here till here. What about the top? Let us take a projection to the top view from the intersection at the inclined line, from the intersection at the inclined line, and here's my, can you see I zoomed in order not to come here. It's not here, it's here. To that intersection of the cylinder, I'll take a copy or a mirror as you wish. Mirror this one, enter, from where? Enter, from the middle to the middle, okay, enter, and mirror again, 1, 2, enter, from here to the middle, enter. So this is my tunnel, this is my tunnel. This, let us draw our webs. So let us take a look. Then our web is 66 height, and from the center it goes 36 flat and then goes inclined. The best way to project it first at the side view. It's projected full at the side view, so I'll go to the side view and draw a construction line at the middle in order to take offset by 36 to the left or to the right, it's not the same. My web starts here. Okay, how to draw it? Let's see. I'll take from here and goes down as an inclined. Just mirror it, mirror this part, enter, from the middle down, enter. Come on, it takes what? Object snap again, mirror. Okay, from here to here. Okay, this is my web. Where is it? In the front and top view. In the front view, it will be just a parallel line on 14, and in the top view it will be this part and goes down, this part and goes down. So let's go back here and see. Let us take a middle offset, but sorry, again in the middle and offset by 7 to the right, 7 to the left, and we'll take these lines from here down, enter from here down, enter from here there, enter from here there, again from here there, again from here there. Let us see. Here it's one material, so we have to trim this part of arc. We have to trim this part of arc. I'll go down, okay, and get rid of these shitty things. Okay, let us trim. Let us take both of these, enter, and take this one out, this one out. But as we see here, we have a part of my web is flat and then goes inclined. So where is it? Here. Just take a construction line from here and from here. This is the end of my flat part of the web, and project it down to the top view. 1, 2, and this is the part, the end of my flat part of the web from here, and part of the web from the intersection, okay, of the here. Okay, save, and we'll continue with other parts in next part of our video. See you then. Bye bye.